Hello everyone, welcome to engineering classes. Today we will start with permutation and combination. If in question they are saying this and this, then we do multiplication. If they are saying this or that, then we do addition. I will clarify this with the help of examples. Now where we use combinations, where we have to choose or select from something, then we use combination. This is formula of combination, that is NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Example, 20 are women and 30 are men. Choose between 11 women and 22 men. It means that from 20 women we have to choose 11 women. In this case we will use combination, that is from 20 women we have to choose 11. This is n is what? From where we have to choose, and r is what? How much we have to choose. So we use NC11 and they are saying and this and this, it means both. Then we use, in case of and, we use multiply. From 30 men we have to choose 12 men. This is n and this is r. It means that 30C 22. We will use this formula for combination, solve it. Now permutation. Where we use permutation? Where we have to arrange things, then we use permutation. This is formula for permutation. In most of the questions we will use this formula, that is NCR into r factorial is equal to NPR. We will practice more question using combination, and if they are asking about permutation, then I'll use this formula. This formula we will use rarely. It means that combination is more important than permutation. I will solve mostly questions with the help of combinations. Now, where we use permutation? If all the objects are distinct, that is number of way of arranging p elements all distinct in a row is p factorial. That is, that I told you, we use permutation where we have to arrange something. That is, if all the objects are distinct, then we use p factorial. Now this point we will study with the help of examples. Now circular arrangement, that is number of way of arranging n distinct object in a circle. If circle is there and they are saying to arrange something in a circle, then we use this formula, that is n minus 1 factorial. If clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangements are considered, that is in necklace or in garland, if they are saying to arrange the pearls in a necklace, then we use this formula, that is n minus 1 factorial divided by 2. How many words can be formed by using letter of the word box with and without meaning? First, without repetition. Second, with repetition. Here they are saying how many words can be formed using word box with and without meaning. First option, without repetition. They are saying with and without meaning. It means that, now see how many words can be formed like this. These 6 cases can be possible. Now solve it using permutation combination concept. This word is of 3 letters. It means that new word that can be formed will have also 3 letters. This is first letter, second letter, third letter. In case of first letter, we can use any one of these words. So in first case, we can use any one of these words. Here, 3 possibilities can be there. So we can use any one of these letter. In first case, suppose if we use this letter X, then in case of second letter, we can't use this X. Only we are left with 2 cases. So here into 2. Because here we have only 2 cases left. If we use this word B, then we only left with 1 letter. So here only 1 possibility can be there. I am telling you again. Here this is word. This is of 3 letters. New word will have also 3 letters. So this is 3 letters. This is first letter of new word. This is second letter of new word. This is third letter of new word. Here in case of first letter of new word, we can use any one of these 3 letters. 3 possibilities can be there that we can use here. If we use this X, then in case of second letter, we only left with this B and O. Here 2 possibilities can be there. Then in case of second letter, we have only 2 choices. Suppose if we use this alphabet B, then in case of third letter, we only left with 1 choice, that is O into 1. Or alternate method, Now multiply it and answer will come out to be 6, as this is word. So in case of first letter, so here first letter, second letter, third letter, only 3 letters can be formed of new word. So in case of first letter, we have choices from 3 letters, 3C1. That is, we can use any one word from these 3 words. Then in second letter, we are left with only 2 choices from where we can use one choice, that is 2C1. We are only left with 2 choices from where we have to use one. And in case of third, if we use this alphabet X, then we only left with one choice. If you solve it, then answer will come out to be 6. How we solve it? N factorial upon R factorial, N minus R factorial. N factorial upon R factorial into N minus R 2 factorial. Now open it, 3 into 2 factorial, or you can open it as like this. Now its answer is 3. Now solve it. Its answer will come out to be 2 and its answer will come out to be 1, 6. Now second, with repetition. As we have this word box and these are choices. So here we have 3 letters and we have to form word of 3 letters. In case of first letter, I can use any one of these 3 letters, and in case of second letter, I can also use any one of these 3 letters, as if I use B here, then I can also use B here. So again I have 3 choices, so 3. Again I have 3 choices, then 3. Alternate method. Here it means that I have 3 choices. It means that I have to choose one. From 3 choices, it means that 3C1 into. Now again I have 3 choices because I can repeat. So 3C1, because I have 3 choices but I have to use only one. Therefore 3C1. Again I have 3 choices and have to use one. Again 3C1. If you solve it, 27 will be there. How many words can be formed from letter of word extra without repetition? Second, with repetition. Here 5 letters are there, so new word will also have 5 letters. So from these 5 letters, any one of these 5 letters can be used here. Here in case of second letter, if I use this E, then I can't use this E. It means that we are only left with 4 choices. Into 4, multiply. If I use this A, then we are only left with 3 choices. Into 3. If I use this R, we are only left with 2 choices. Into 2. If I use this T, then only 1 choice. Solve it, you will get your answer. Here in first case, then from 5 choices we have to use 1. Into, if we use E, then we are only left with 4 choices. Then from 4 choices we have to use 1. Into, if we use this A, then we only left with 3 choices. From 3 we have to choose 1. If we use this R, then we only left with 2 choices. From 2 we have to choose 1. If I use this T, then only left with 1 choice. If you solve it, same answer will be there. Second, with repetition. With repetition, here it means that 5 letter word is there. Here if I use this E here, then I can use E here also. I can use E here also. I can use number of times I want to use E. If here 5 choices are there, then here if I use this E on first case, then I can use E on second case also, third case also, so on. So it means that here it has 5 choices, here it has 5 choices. It means that alternate method, it means that 5C1 into 5C1, it means that from 5 letter you have to choose one. Here if I use this E, then I can use E also here also. Then 5C1 into 5C1, 5C1, 5C1. If you solve it, you will get your answer. I am not solving it, I am not multiplying it. You multiply it and get your answer. We will focus on questions, not its answer. In how many ways can letter of the word apple can be arranged? Now, here 5 cases can be there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here when letters repeat, we have to divide it with, here 2 letters repeat. It means that we will divide it with 2 factorial. Here 2 letters repeat, Therefore, we divide it with 2 factorial. If word would be, then how many letters are there in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it can be 9 factorial divided by, here you can see, here you can write it like this also. Upon, here how many letters are repeating? Here 2 L's are there, so it means 2 factorial into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 A's are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 A's are there into 4 factorial. The number of letters are repeating, we have to divide it with that number. 7560 will be its answer. You solve it yourself. Similarly, word is engineering. If we have to arrange it, here how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial divided by 1, 2, 3. E is repeating 3 times, 3 factorial into, here I is repeating 2 times upon 2 factorial into, here N is also repeating 3 times, 3 factorial, and also G is also repeating 2 times. It means that 2 factorial. Here only R is a number that is not repeating. Everything is repeating here. Its answer will come out to be, this is answer. Here next question. 4-digit number we have to make using 1 to 6 numbers. How many such number can be formed with and without repetition? Firstly do without repetition. Here how many digit number we have to make? 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that from 6 number we have to make 4-digit number. So how many digits can be formed with and without repetition? Here on first letter we have 6 options. 6 into, suppose we use this 5, it means that we are left with only 5 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are only left with 5 options, then it means that we have to choose from these 5 options. It means that 5 into 4, 3. Alternate method, it means that 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that we have to make 4-digit number from this 6-digit number. So on first letter we have 6 options, that is we have to choose from 6 options, we have to choose 1 from 6 options. It means that 6C1. It means that if we use this 5 on first letter, suppose that if we use this 5 on first letter, then we only left with this 5 options, these options. We have to choose 1 option here from 5, that is 5C1. Similarly here 4C1 into 3C1. I am repeating, if we have 6 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternate method is how we choose it. Here we have 6 options. So it means that we have to choose only 1 option here, that is 6C1. If we choose this 6, it means that we only left with these 5 options. From 5 options we have to choose 1 here. It means that 5C1. Again, if we used this 4, then we only left with 4 options. It means that 4C1. If we use this 3, we are only left with 3 options, that 3C1. Now, if with repetition, we have to choose 4 options. If with repetition, it means that here we have 6 options, then 6 again. If we use this 6, then again we can use this 6 here also. It means that we have 6 options, again 6, again 6. We can use it like 6C1 into 6C1 into 6C1 into 6C1. Suppose this is next question. Now we have 7 options. We have to make 4-digit number. How we make it? This is first letter, this is second, this is third, this is 4. Understand it carefully because it's different. Without repetition. If this is without repetition, suppose example, then 045. Does it make 4-digit number? Because in question, if they are asking to make 4-digit number using 0 to 6 without repetition. If they are asking this, then does it make 4-digit number? No, it doesn't make 4-digit number. It means that on first place 0 can't be there, because if 0 will be there on first place, then it will make a 3-digit number. It means that if 0 can't be there, then we only left with 6 options. It means that 6 here. 6 into, if 0 is on second place, then does it make 4-digit number? Yes, it's making 4-digit number. It's without repetition. If I use 5 here, so I can't use 5 on second place because it's without repetition. But again, 5 can't be used, but I can use 0 here. See, we are left with how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, we are left with 6 digits. Suppose I use 0 here, so we can't use 5, we can't use 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are left with 5 options. If I use 3 here, if I use 3, then see our options 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is gate question. How many different 5-digit number can be formed with digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 when repetition is not allowed? Here we have to make 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from these 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from these 5 digits. So 0 can't be here. Here 0 can't be here. We are only left with 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Here 0 can be here, but repetition is not allowed. So it means that if we used 2 here, suppose if we used 2 here, then we can't use 2 again. It means that we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 options. 4 options again. I am telling you clearly. So on first digit we can't use 0. So how much options we are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options we are left with. So on second place we can use 0. Now I am writing again. So on second option we can use 0. Suppose if I used this 8 on first letter, then I can't use it again. It means that how much options we are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options we are left with. If suppose if I use this 6 in place of second, then how much options we are left with? 1, 2, 3. Into, suppose if I used this option in place of third, then how much options we are left with? 2, then 1. Solve it and you will get your answer. In next class, we will continue with permutations and combination. If you are liking my videos, found it useful, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment below for your feedback. Thank you. Have a nice day.